Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Endurox XL. So you should try this product or not, and what are the benefits of this product. So in this video we will cover lots of information about this product. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, this product is basically used for to increase your metabolism. You can like workout, and you can like metabolism, you can like working system in your body. Okay, so basically this product is used for to build your, you can like extra fat into, it will convert your extra fat into muscles, and it will give you overall growth on your body. Okay, so if you are going to use this product for regularly like 30 to 60 days, and you will see a lots of changes in your body, and it will increase your metabolism, and it will build your endurance, and it will give you amazing results in the terms of muscles build up, and in the terms of you can like energy, and the you can like in the results of you can like energy in the form of energy, and you can like hard work. Okay, so it will give you amazing results if you are going to use this product, because the product is a very good product, and this product is manufactured by you can like Pacific Health, and this is a very popular brand in today's time, and they are a very good reputation in this field. Okay, so basically who can use this product? So if you are a gym athlete, and if you are going to gym, and if you want to reduce your weight, if you are any, you can like if you have any extra fats on your body, and if you have a overweight, then you can try this product. And if we talk about like how much time it will take to give you results, so it will take approx like you can say minimum time period is like 30 days, and the maximum time period is like you can say like 60 days. And if you are going to use this product for at least like 30 days continuously, without you can say like giving a gap a single day, then it will give you amazing results, and it will also increase your endurance, and it will also increase your you can say like testosterone levels also. Okay, and it will help in reducing your weight, and it will give you amazing results in the terms of you can say like muscle growth. Okay, so this is a totally you can say like a worthy product, and it is a totally you can say like looking good supplement, as you can say in the terms of supplement, this is a very helpful supplement. Okay, so my dear friends, and if you really want to try, then you can take it, and there is no issue. This is a very good product. And if we talk about how to use this product, so you can see you have to take 2 caplets once a day, and you can take one caplets per you can like at a time, and or you can like you can to use 2 caplets once a day. Okay, like at a time, or you can divide the doses in the morning time, and in the evening time, in the evening time. And if you have any pregnant, then you need to consult your doctor at least once. Okay, so this is the information, and this is a very good supplement. You can try it, and you can get the benefits. Okay, so the main ingredient of this tablet, as you know, like Ciwujia is a very you can say like good herb, and it will increase your you can say like overall health, and you can say like it will also increase your mind relaxation. Okay, so it will also help in support your mind related problems also. Okay, so this is the information, my dear friends, and if you have any experience with this product, you can share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.